Welcome back to today's market report analysis videos on Monday 14th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tantech Markets. Looking at cable now. We've seen the, just on a general longer term basis, it's sort of the breaking of that downtrend continues, and you've got the sort of recovery above 23.30, which was tested on a retracement basis, used as the basis of support and pushed higher. Friday's move was again higher, moving up, despite the fact that we had significant dollar strength. Now, the dollar strength has taken its toll a little bit today, but as yet, nothing really that changes, I think, the outlook that suggests that cable is a bit of a recovery play, probably back towards 28 big figure. And the momentum indicators are still on the right track. Yes, the RSI sort of turned lower a bit from 60, but it's still above 50. MACD is rising, stochastics in positive configuration. So the outlook is still relatively positive, I'd say, for cable. Here we can see the hourly chart, whereby it's retreated yesterday. Sorry, retreated, yes, today. Get my words right. And it's held up the support at 24.50. And it's sort of retreated, I think, into a band of support. Now, 24.50 is an old pivot over the last sort of couple of weeks. And again held 24.60, I think, the low today. 24.61. So I think that is interesting, the fact that that level has held and it's sort of rebounded again. That came as the RSI hit 30 on the hourly, again sort of holding up above that, so that's a positive configuration. It's just all sort of suggesting that it's still a little bit of a correction into support that's going to get bought into, because if you look at the dollar as well, the dollar's had a massive run already, and it's probably not a million miles away from a little bit of profit taking. So if that were the case, then a strong cable, or certainly strong sterling, I should say, would sort of help to support cable and then push higher again. So back above 25.57, which is sort of near-term breakout level, I think that would be a positive move. Sort of 20, 30 or 30, 40 ticks away from there now. It is recovering. Cable is, what's that, 70, 80 ticks down at the moment, and it's in a little bit of recovery mode. So it's still relatively positive, I'd say, and sterling remains the big outperformer, I think, generally speaking, across the forex majors. Although obviously the Kiwi and Aussie are a little bit stronger today than than sterling. Generally speaking, the outlook remains pretty positive, I think, on sterling. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.